In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the full screen tasks view on Google Calendar, step by step, so you can manage your to-do list more comfortably and stay organized without feeling cramped in a small side panel. This is a really helpful trick if you use Google Tasks often, because it gives you more space to view task details, update due dates, and keep track of subtasks while you work. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar on your computer. You can do this by going to calendar.google.com and signing in with a Google account that has your tasks connected. Once Google Calendar loads, look to the right side of the screen. You'll see a panel with helpful Google app icons. And one of those icons is the Tasks icon. Click on that Tasks icon to open your Google Tasks list inside the Calendar sidebar. At first, it will appear in a smaller side panel, which is useful for quick access. But if you want a better workspace, the next step is the one you need. In the top area of the Tasks panel, look for the pop-out icon. This icon lets you open Google Tasks in its own separate window, instead of keeping it inside the Calendar sidebar. Click the pop-out icon, and Google Tasks will open in a new window. This is where the full screen style workflow starts to feel much easier to use. Once the new Google Tasks window appears, maximize it. You can usually do this by clicking the Maximize button in the top corner of the window. Now your Tasks view takes up the full screen, giving you a much clearer and more comfortable layout to work with. This is especially useful if you have a lot of tasks, longer task names, or detailed notes that are hard to see in the smaller panel. Now that you're in the larger view, click on any task you want to manage. When you select a task, you'll be able to view and edit its details more easily. You can change the task title, update the due date, add or review subtasks, and make sure everything is organized the way you want. If you use tasks for work, school, or personal planning, this full-screen view can really improve your speed and reduce mistakes because everything is easier to read. And that's it. You now know how to use the full-screen tasks view on Google Calendar. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in how you manage your daily to-dos. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more productivity tips, Google Workspace walkthroughs, and easy how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.